Hello everyone, my name is Charles Constant Roland, but you can call me Chico. This is Road to Carnival 2025. Last year, the board introduced a bold vision for elevating Carnival, but this year we are taking it to a higher level. I hope you're ready. Allow me to take you behind the scenes where we are going to be preparing for the biggest cultural event of the year. So ladies and gentlemen, flyers are dropping, the schedule is locked in, and the excitement is building. I hope you're ready. Let's do it. We are kicking it off right here in French Quarter for the Get Fit to Pet with yours truly, Fabi.
Whether you're ready to roll your waist or just need to break a sweat, this energy workout will get you in shape for the road. So don't forget your rag, don't forget your water bottle, but most importantly, that energy, because you know you got to match Fabi.
On Saturday, all road leads to Grenca, specifically at Tropics Beach Bar for a karaoke showdown. Bring your best voice, your friends, and your hype, because the competition will be one for the books. We'll give you more details in the upcoming episode. But trust me, you don't want to miss this one. We wrap up the weekend right back in French Quarter with the Touch the Road Parade. Feel the rhythm of the drum, the energy of the troops. Get the first taste of Carnival spirit on the road. Whether you're marching or watching from the sidelines, it's an event for everyone. Thank you for following us on the first episode of Road to Carnival. Don't forget to mark your calendars for these pre-events and follow us for the latest updates.